This week, something clicked that I've been chasing for months. I watched my agent team, completely autonomously, scrape data, reason through it, write code, and execute it in a single unbroken chain. No manual handoffs, no me babysitting a prompt, just agents doing their jobs like a real team. And on the trading side, my paper bot hit 13 out of 18 profitable strategies on only day 2. So today, I'm breaking down how I got here, what broke along the way, and the big lessons I didn't expect. Before I hype this up too much, let me tell you what actually went wrong, because this stuff matters more than the wins. First, token expiry warnings on my Vision tier bots forced me to rotate credentials mid-sprint. That killed hours of scheduled work because my token rotation cron job was colliding with production tasks on the same scheduler. Rookie mistake with serious consequences. Second, the Discord bot team started hitting API rate limits during high-activity windows, which cascaded into drop tasks. Single agents fail gracefully. Multi-agent systems fail loudly and in weird ways. That's the thing nobody warns you about. Here's how I responded to each failure. For the rate limit problem, I implemented back pressure logic. Basically, the bot team now slows itself down before it gets throttled, instead of hammering endpoints and crashing. Think of it like a traffic valve. For credentials, the immediate fix was manual rotation, but the real lesson is architectural. I need a centralized credential manager where each bot has its own independent rotation cycle that never touches the production task queue. And for multi-agent fragility overall, I'm now planning circuit breakers. If one agent in the chain fails, the whole workflow pauses cleanly instead of producing garbage downstream. Let me show you the pattern that finally clicked. I have 3 specialized agents working in sequence. The first agent is a data scraper. It pulls in raw information from external sources. The second is a reasoning agent. It interprets that data, identifies what action is needed, and passes structured instructions forward. The third is an ops agent. It writes and executes the actual code based on those instructions. What makes this powerful is memory persistence across sessions. Each agent remembers prior context, so round 2 of a conversation builds on round 1 instead of starting cold. That's the difference between a party trick and a real workflow. So where do things stand? The paper trading bot is sitting at 13 out of 18 strategies in the green on day 2. That's roughly 70% hit rate, which I honestly didn't expect this early. My chess app is still holding its paying pro subscribers with 0 churn, which tells me the product has real retention even without active growth work right now. And the agent team, 6 bots running across 2 tiers, shipped the full end-to-end workflow with memory sync. In the news this week, OpenAI's O1 correctly diagnosed 67% of ER patients versus 50 to 55% by triage doctors. That's not a party trick either. AI agents doing real sequential reasoning work. That's the pattern, and it rhymes with everything I'm building. 3 things are on my build list right now. First, a centralized credential manager. One system that handles token rotation for every bot independently, with 0 overlap. Second, a unified agent bus. An async task layer that isn't tied to Discord specifically, so any part of my stack can push jobs to any agent. Third, I want to pipe the trading bot's signal logic into the agent team so it can automatically post analysis when a strategy triggers. If you're building your own agent systems, subscribe. I document every win and every failure in public. Drop a comment telling me which of these 3 you'd build first. I'll be back next week with the next update.